So people of Kumasi, my name is Isaac Gentry. You can call me Gede. I'm the sales and marketing manager for Love FM and Nhyira FM in Kumasi. So this was the 14th February 2020. You don't have any excuse. All roads lead to the Ratri Park poolside. We are bringing love to you. As our name goes, it's Love FM. So we are bringing love. It's a month of love, and so this Father's Day, I don't know the last time Kim Promise came to Kumasi, but we are bringing Kim Promise and Oforian Ponsa to sing for you and your loved ones. They're two lovebirds, and I'm telling you, you are going to love it. It's going to be awesome, and I'm inviting everybody to the poolside of Ratri Park, Father's Day, 14th February 2020, and you will never regret it. It's going to be a night of love, filled with everything you can imagine. And so please, all roads lead there. Tickets are available at Opoku Trading at the front desk of Love FM. You can also call our special line 02455944425 for your tickets, and I'm telling you, you will love it. Please, I can assure you there will be a lot of fun, so don't miss your way. Come straight to the Ratri Park poolside, a new environment, serene place. Come have fun with your loved ones, and you'll never regret it. Thank you very much.
Hallelujah! A Brennasia Subie National Gospel Music Awards 2019. Nyamiatom Basu February ni dia tosu dunum ewo Bantama Church of Pentecost. And you may know sia pepepe. Yes, share radian monya niesa so bo wana wo bo wo homodi wo gospel nyum tuomo abaso. Na anyum tu fuobiti say Tego Sisters wo basie Obapa Christy Reverend Dr. Abiam Ampoma dance all the way from UK. Reverend Graceman.
He is the light of the world.
Onyami tumi na dom ebesane. Take it no 20 CDs advance and 30 CDs at the gate. Obenya take it maybe or Love FM any Nhyira FM ye feed haya. Poku Trading Abebi Express Dash Fashion Kumasi City Mall and also betimi afred 0242828058. Na tumedie wona wode prayer global expert recovery. Osi trayan wakafo ne be dan wo kama. Woni Love FM and Nhyira FM and the tumedie bro. Brania Mera de so
Monday. Makubia wani.
Oh yes.
Taxi driver be how crowd is 100 roundabout no more. I know be some say no judge man so you down you know one by say your manager. I say wow.
Be kwaku na. E friend kwaku.
Me nim ni din but we are your fan pa. So see how your manager.
Ana mama ni ntimi mie no.
Managers in money.
So
the question appear can leaders do yen.
Boyos.
The managers don't open their eyes.
Not too much.
You can open,
but not too much. UBS sana as a horizon.
Then
horizon. Boyos. Wono to the binam beza medura science mo. Na ma biological and bio terms na me ma purely physics. Buso yam shisho.
Embo record them man.
Na any gisem any diko remon weekend. Sa sante bobo.
Oh asante nyankunimdie wo ye dewu eko dewu.
Ma bibia.
Ehu aboa na etiase akosi ada asante ne oboase as good ya enuanu.
Ne as good.
Na ye wuntimi nkopa. Go ben park no betimi a chiro.
Me no Efrim rebi abedi ba ne kan se obi e na dwuma no. If it wona mesuma ye medwuma. I say no
blaster.
Hey, na the blaster no ndom branka no mbo nya bon. Bola. It's a lovely Monday evening, boyos, with me here. But that's all on the commentary.
Yeah.
Kasi asin here. Oh, forget it, boyos. Dear Tiana say yamwadian kwa Sante Mamponte boyos yamwadian kwa fume swa kwa mo yamwadian onye bridge no Nabo, and they were more than a kind.
We are talking about Love Affair on the 14th day of February 2020. It's going to be love. But a kind of promise.
Promise.
Yeah.
King Promise.
Where
King Promise. King Promise.
I say one King Promise.
Why no? Why they said just said Dina man no?
King Promise.
Why? Boyos.
Opposition party the normal president so King Promise.
As a president knows this is now person can answer man answer.
His Excellency.
I'm a friend King Promise.
King Promise.
And I'm not releasing him.
That be a money.
No one more, I don't know. Can't no promise. I'm on for you, boys. So I got some more DB on the floor. Abonte.
Mana. Aye. The king is back.
You are back.
I'm back for good.
Jamwa Diakwa. Boys. And the man Momo Dianri watching on.
Then the bear man.
Nahrawano. Omo watching on who brought me a boa makasa. Man every watching on ne memano amuso momode Henry Caristius
yeah
abrani aboa ni jonku ni nyina mo Caristius mu ni nyina na boyos Tachima circuit court na mpese medura na nsem na ebobo free oba
no say akobi akoye no by force la
se ono ba akobi kura so de bia no so free ayiba no boyos kaneshe de akwaba akode Latif ono chemo ono ane Kennedy Furiata no Kennedy Furiata ya kan no ha wayan ho sa boyos eno de besa kesi bese mi doso no china pa biem de mu ye pa boyos na de adia ne ze tatima na mewura to de be afamiwram
so don't reach in try him like that. No, don't
reach near Nisa. Boyos. Uma invitation.
Olmeya dodrog banto.
Peso bi boa.
Reach them in the
Debbie. Obi an atade so sene. Boyos. Atade na ase no. No na ase atade no. Nipa sa mental man invitation. Oti ase. Obenwa. No ma bebre. Obi oti wi ase a. Ota ase atade so sene no. Funny man on the side. Now, Tachima Circuit Court, presided by Mr. and I say His Lordship Alexander Graham Boyos Nipa Mienu called to Chirimo among them 10 years. Assembling in answer the Yendi Divisional Police Commander ACP Peter Irizan Boyos Ochirimo. And go for me and Shada kidnap akola 10 years. Omuwie no from nena say on first got 20,000 mbra
200 million.
Boys. Police force do through their own intelligence. Papa ko bo mama ne no mse send. Na nya den obezo ko yiska no. Na momo so de ye man hundreds and etemu I have phone no
ID card ya de.
O de phone ne kokora na so red. Boyos.
The ID card ni.
Akwa no so hunu nyansa. Upon tip off, police in Yendi arrested the suspect who went to withdraw an amount. Boyos 10,000 cedis go koyi. Chesi abredi scan mu half. Okwa koyi. Wo yi ya de aka na ye kira se. Boyos ye kire no kire mu se oni ninu bi ono ye Burkina Bay.
Oh, okay.
Na arewo sem ne se akoya ya chini. Papa na wawia ne bana odne ko ono papa no wanantwi na akoye ne hweso. To ne emo oni akora no mfa nantwi ni ko adidi no.
Na odne ko mo bisie.
Na odne ko mo bisie. Te kola 10 years. Ti ko to hwea no amo no so 10. It's got to 10.
Na ba ko na omu yenu nyina 10.
Amu bia 10. Buyos. Anyumi no aboy. King Promise. Hey, me no me down for said them mama. Ofie Kwanso. Sana die pasa. Boyo.
Only one na say them.
Ti wa ye di ya ho Nkomo. Boyo. Musa die pasa.
Na mu di mu Nkomo sa.
Boyo. Sa boy we on.
It's going to be love of
Boyo. Road Park.
On the 14th of May.
Mama Germany na benyi.
I don't know.
Na benyi.
Here with these red.
I'll take a right.
Na benyi ya o sprayer.
Baba mi so baba around.
Onu na ka tell me that King Promise me so. Boys, mama me go for biso abaso. Menya big time invitation.
Oh.
Na mania Japan. Boys, invitation is so.
Very broad.
Very large.
Like Broadway, Kumi.
Boyos, Mamenda, Mamephobia. Invitation is so.
My invitation abroad.
Boyos.
So go am the coin. I'm in the watchy.
Boyos.
See me as a brother.
She now one year be a maze. Never be an abe for sword mechi. And ma omoto ayo when you na wa onejo. Chiremombe party. To mama me invite.
Oh.
Mama for omoto ayo.
You watch out for fufu party.
For ayo. Boyos.
You are for Sankano.
Boyos. For Sankano.
Yes.
Boyos.
Go come na my patron.
Na. I am at the multimedia Jimmy the Twatwa Sosa.
Yes.
Also on the 14th,
yes.
If you are trip back, not 15th. Mother, my man and your mother, a rade Jimmy, oh, Missy, yes, what Jimmy, oh, boys, if you are how be. Boyos, Sauma long. And yes, our park. One kiss for you, Christiana love. Boyos,
we are ready, eh?
Anti-Christian, ever say.
Obapa
Christian.
We are ready, you know.
Boyos, National Gospel Music Awards, the one COVID. But my Pentecost.
And watch out, I have 20 Ghana series, you know.
On the 14th, poolside. On the
16th,
on the 15th,
yeah, 15th National Gospel Music Award,
Boyos.
And then the 6th of March, watch out for Secret Fufu Party.
Boyos, and this is but it's a 6 March. They did Kumasi.
Yes.
That Gaza Papa. Kenny with him the oil.
Kenny is quick pump from.
Papa, they are there.
When a clock house to say,
Boyos. Some medical jobs at this time.
The king will be there.
Multimedia Nivea Pongo School. We are not by our day or clock house. Hey, Nhyira. Boyos,
I'll be there.
Come around. Now don't reach there.
Also, be an Atalia Suchanibia.
Oh no. Obi anatade so sen bia atade na ahye no yo na ahye atade no ti say nipa no zo uhu ne direction o ze nyoma bebe o can promise me me do fo hye mama ajesh iuza die baza sara die baza ese domo aye dia ho komo zana die baza boyos.
I know you also love this. I know you love highlight music. I know you love this.
Boyos, Nana Martin, the over for them, Yare. And Odoya Coco.
Let him say, why we pay.
So people of Kumasi, my name is Gentry. You can call me Gede. I'm the sales and marketing manager for Love FM and Nhyira FM in Kumasi. So this was the 14th February 2020. You don't have any excuse. All roads lead to the Ratri Park poolside. We are bringing love to you. As our name goes, it's Love FM. So we are bringing love. It's a month of love, and so this Father's Day. I don't know the last time Kim Promise came to Kumasi, but we are bringing Kim Promise and Oforian Ponsa to sing for you and your loved ones. They're two lovebirds, and I'm telling you, you are going to love it. It's going to be awesome, and I'm inviting everybody to the poolside of Ratri Park, Father's Day, 14th February 2020, and you will never regret it. It's going to be a night of love, filled with everything you can imagine. And so please, all roads lead there. Tickets are available at Opoku Trading at the front desk of Love FM. You can also call our special line 02455944425 for your tickets. And I'm telling you, you will love it. Please, I can assure you there will be a lot of fun, so don't miss your way. Come straight to the Ratri Park poolside, a new environment, serene place. Come have fun with your loved ones, and you'll never regret it. Thank you very much.